Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Edwards local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a high-quality, value-driven moving company in Edwards, Colorado. Our professional, friendly crew support residential and commercial customers by providing outstanding assistance with their local and long-distance moves and make us one of the Edwards moving companies. For the best services, you need the best local movers in Edwards, Colorado. Edwards Local TM Movers is your best bet for an effortless local move. With decades of moving experience, Edwards Local 3 Movers know everywhere in the city and have no issues moving properties quickly and delivering. With a fantastic track record and client reviews, you are in the best hands with Edwards Local 3 Movers. Edwards Long Distance 3 Movers is the best team of long distance movers in Edwards, Colorado. We have the best vehicles for any terrain or weather, so you can rest assured we have the best equipment for your move, regardless of the state you are moving to. Our experienced long-distance movers have handled moves to all 50 states and will move your belongings to your new home with no hassle. Trust Edwards 3 Movers for your hitch-free moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Edwards Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.